For previous lesson, I think that we're working here. Yes, this one was, and some of them were your homework or for practicing, because some of you
For practice.
Sure. Sure.
yes,
Just to practice.
Do you like my notebook?
I cannot see.
Do you like my notebook? Teacher?
Oh, it's very cute, but you know, I'm not very friendly with the cats.
Animal?
Yeah. Now, only I want that I saw from the homework that some of you sent me for G, for example. Here, guys, in these cases, let me show you. A squared plus B squared to the power of 1/2.
Minus.
The,
Teacher, can it be -2?
what do you mean -2?
The power. Or not?
Why -2?
No, teacher, I was wondering.
Okay, no, it cannot be -2. Let me write better, 1/2. Here, in these cases, because you have plus between the terms in the parentheses, a squared plus b squared, you cannot write this one. This is not correct, okay? A squared to the power of 1/2 plus b squared to the power of 1/2. This is not correct, okay? You cannot do this one. Only the thing that you can do here, because it says write the expression in radical form, only the thing that you can do will be a squared plus b squared to the power of 1/2 is equal to square root of a squared plus b squared, okay? When you have plus between the terms, you cannot directly write the powers like, even if you had square, do you remember a squared plus b squared? Square, if it is, you cannot write this one like this, yes? This is not correct. Also, in the rational exponents, you cannot it like that directly, okay? Are we clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
When you have multiplication, you can do it. But when you have addition or subtraction, you cannot. Only I wanted to say this one because I saw some solutions like that. Do you have any question with the second and the third exercise? Maybe you couldn't solve, and I will continue with a new.
Teacher, when it can be minus to the power? I want to know that. Because I
Negative
forgot.
power.
Yes, negative power. We should do like a 1/a to the power of
Yes. If you have, for example, let's say a to the power of -2, it is 1/a square. In this, it's the power is negative.
Because I forgot how it was done.
Okay. Do you have any question in the second and in the third one? Guys?
No.
No? Okay. So today we have properties of rational exponents. This is the first property. Here in the first property, we have real numbers a and b. A is positive, b is positive. And they are integers, which they are greater than 1, okay? If you can see here. M is greater than 1, N is greater than 1, and A and B, they are positive numbers. So if we have nth root of a to the power of n is directly a, we can take out as a if n is odd. But if n is even number, when you will take out from the nth root, you will take out as an absolute value, okay? Why? What do you think? Why? For example, I'm writing here, we have some examples here. For example, cube root of 27. Can I write this one as cube root of 3 cube?
Yes.
So because n is odd here, as you see 3, we are taking out as 3 directly. Yes? Yes? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Still sleeping. You are still sleeping, I think, huh?
Yes, teacher, we are extremely tired today. I don't know why.
Why? It's, I think, second lesson
Yes.
No, teacher, from the first lesson.
from the
Every
first lesson.
day.
Haydi. Take a coffee, something, drink, and haydi.
Sure, I took coffee, but it didn't help me. I
I
want to sleep.
Because today's topics are a bit like, so you have to.
No, for math, no.
Right. Now
Today-
in C here, can you see fourth root of how I can write 16?
2 to the power of 4.
2 to the power of 4. Here, because the power is even, n is even, I will take out as absolute value of 2. Why? Because, guys, 2 to the power of 4 is 16 also. And minus 2 to the power of 4 will be 16 again. So here in this case, you may have two different results. One of them is negative, one of them is positive. Because of that, we are taking out as absolute value of 2, okay? What about this one? What will be? B. I will give you time to write. Okay, let's solve this one. While you are writing, I will take the attendance. Let's finish these questions and then I will give you time to write them, okay?
Teacher should be. Okay. Continue.
In B, what we have? Fifth root of minus 32. How can I write this one?
Fifth root of minus 2 in the power of 5.
Minus 2 to the power of 5. So how I will take out this one?
The absolute value of 2.
Absolute value of 2 or
You minus 2.
minus
This
2.
minus
Because
2.
n is odd, yes? 5.
Yeah.
So I'm taking out as minus 2 directly.
Okay.
In D, what it will be, Vesa?
In D, we take it out as absolute value of, no, just 3.
Absolute
Just
value
3.
of 3, which is 3 again. The result is 3 again. Yes? In the second property here, what it says, if you have nth root of A times nth root of B, you can write them in a same radical sign. So what will be square root of 5 times square root of 4? We can write as square root of 5 times 4, which is square root of 20. Or here directly you can write, because square root of 4 is 2 root 5, but we want to show the property because of that. I'm writing as square root of 20. What will be, Ermal, cube root of 2 times cube root of 4?
Third root of 2 times 4.
It will be cube root of 2 times 4, which is cube root of
Cube root of 8.
8. What is cube root of 8?
106. How much it was?
Can I write 8 as 2 cube?
Yes, I did.
So the result will be 2. Yes?
Yeah. You can simplify it a lot more, okay. But can you leave it as cube root of 8 or no?
Yes, you can leave it as cube root of 8. But in some cases, if you need the exact result,
If you have to simplify, you can do it.
yeah, it is 2. And the last one here will be fifth root of x times
X times
y. Okay. While you're writing, let me take the attendance. Yusuf, Anita,
Here.
Alexander,
I'm here.
here.
Yes.
Still, Eva,
I'm here, teacher.
here. Elsa,
Here.
here. Amra,
I'm here.
here. Yona,
I'm here. I'm here, teacher.
okay. Stephanie,
I'm here.
Fatih, no. Kibariye,
Here.
here. Ringa,
I'm here.
here. Ardita,
I am here, teacher.
Arta, Arta,
I'm here, teacher.
Giovanna,
Here.
here. Dessa,
Here.
here.
Here, teacher.
Stanislav,
Okay, teacher.
here. Salman,
I'm here, teacher.
Mesa,
Here.
Sarah,
Here.
Ermal,
Here.
Ahmed Hamza, Besan,
Here.
here. Okay. Did you write?
Just a minute, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Can I continue to the next one?
Yes.
All right then.
Yes.
Okay, so here we have two more properties, third one and fourth one. If you can see, if you have also division of nth root, like nth root of a over nth root of b, you can write in a same radical sign, nth root of a over b. Here, in the fourth one, as you can see, you have a times nth root of b. If I want to take this a inside of the radical sign, what I will do, I can write it as nth root of a to the power of n times b. I will show you in the examples, it will be better. So here, as you can see, we have root of 8 over root of 2, which will be root of a over 2. So root of a over 2, what is a over 2?
It's 4.
A over 2, I'm saying 8 over 2. So it is 4. Root of 4 will be 2. The result of the first one is 2. Let's see in B what we have. We have cube root of 81 over cube root of 3. How can I write this one?
Cube root of 81 over 2. Over
Cube
3.
root of 81 over 3. 81 over 3. What is 81 over 3?
27.
27. Cube root of 27 we have.
And it's 3, I think.
So the result is 3. like this, it seems like that it's not, I mean, you cannot solve, we don't have cube root of 3, but when you will use the properties, you will get that the result is 3. In C, what we have, fourth root of,
It will be fourth root of 64 square over 4x.
64x squared over 4x. Can we do some simplifications here? It will be fourth root of, look, x squared, the square will go with the x. We can simplify this one. 64 divided by 4 will be 64 divided by 4 will be 16.
Yes, teacher, 16.
16 times what we have here, x.
X.
Now, here I can use the fourth property here. Look, if you have nth root of a to the power of n times b, you can write it as a times nth root of b. What will be here? Fourth root of 16, can I write as 2 to the power of 4?
Yes, teacher.
S times x. Now, I have fourth root and here I have fourth power. So I can take these 2 out as 2 times, and this one, this x will be fourth root of x. It will stay as it is. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Here, in this example, what we have, 2 times cube root of 3. I want to take 2 inside. So how it will be? What do you think?
2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3 under root.
Under root, it will be cube root of, as you said, 2 to the power of 3, but 3 will stay as it is.
Yes, teacher.
Because it is already in the cube root, okay?
Yep. Yeah.
And this one will be cube root of 8 times 3, which is cube root of 24. It's okay?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, but can you wait, teacher? I'm writing.
Yes, yes, I can wait. Tringa, you are not talking today at all.
Yeah, I
Teacher,
Sander is not that active, and the others also. Yona, guys, hi.
Teacher, because I activated my camera. That
I'm having a really bad headache, teacher.
Take something, some pills, something, okay?
I should.
Tringa, go Instagram. Go Instagram.
I'm used to this for this class, okay?
Something new, teacher.
Something.
Yes, me with a camera.
Stanislav?
Yes, teacher.
It's
First time me
yours.
with a camera. You haven't seen me like this.
Are you writing, Stanislav?
Teacher, I know this.
Stanche.
Teacher, the cat is giving me more attention. That's why.
Okay. As I said in the first lesson of this semester, this year is everything on your own responsibility. You will take
Yes.
lessons or not. We cannot do anything else. Okay? So writing, opening camera, taking it serious, it's all up to you. Yes, Vesa?
Excuse me, can I ask you something? Do you know when the exams will start?
Yes, teacher, it's a good question.
I don't know really. We haven't talked about the exams, but you know, usually we are starting after the first month finished. So it means that it will start.
Teacher, the exam will be online or?
Alexander, also for that one, I mean, we're thinking that it will be online, but someone said that in the rules, you have to come to school, but I'm not sure, you know, we don't know. They didn't say anything to us as a school.
Teacher?
Teacher,
students
here's a
will come.
bigger cat.
Okay.
Teacher, here's
You
a bigger
have 2 cats?
Yes, this is Garfield.
Mhm.
He's my favorite one.
I have cats too, but I had a little one who died. I cried a lot.
Really? I cannot have any more
Do bliżej
dog.
do камера мачката?
Что?
Камерата, до bliżej do мачката или мачката до камерата?
Мене ми умре мачът.
Хубаво ти е.
It's okay, хайде. Now,
Научно туширане ова много е клин, да речем.
Окей.
okay, Stanislav, хайде.
Teacher, give her kisses.
In B, what will do? Kibariye, what will do in B? How I will take X inside?
Wow. Wait, teacher.
Kibariye?
Teacher, can I?
Night teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Kibariye, are you here? Now, how can we take X
Yes.
inside of the radical sign?
Teacher,
I think time.
There is a problem with the
Right.
connection, or I cannot hear you.
I can
But
hear
I have problem with connection, teacher. Not here.
Mhm. Now, can you hear me?
Yes,
yes.
teacher.
She
It's
has
Okay.
okay. Your
Maybe like
internet
the
is okay,
previous
teacher.
one.
My internet is okay. You can hear
Yes,
me?
teacher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, let me show you this one. Because I have fourth root here, I will take 4 in fourth root. So
Yes.
if taking X inside of the fourth root, it will be?
X to the power of 4 times X.
Yes, X
Okay.
to the power of 4
Yeah.
times X. Then it is 4 X to the power of 5. What about this one, the last one here? We have cube root of x cubed times y to the power of 6 times z square. So what we said, if we have the same powers with the root here, I will take out directly. So it will be x times cube root of
Y to the power of 6.
y to the power of 6 times z square. Can I do one more?
Yes, why, teacher?
So y to the power of 6, can I write like y square cube
Yeah.
times z square? So I have here again one more cube power here, the third one. It's the same. So I will take out x times now as y square
Cube.
times cube root of z square you will have.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
It's okay?
Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Alexander?
Yes, teacher.
It's okay, teacher.
Okay. Are you right, or I can continue to the next slide?
I feel
Wait, teacher.
I'm writing, teacher.
I'm
Okay.
writing in the same time with you, teacher.
Okay. Please, guys, if you don't understand, if it's not clear, if you want to solve, when I am asking, please give an answer. Say something, yes, no, teacher, because like this, it's very boring for you, also boring for me.
Online lessons are always going to do this.
I couldn't hear you, Erman?
Online lessons are always going to be like this, teacher.
But you know, it's not. What can we do? It's the situation is like this. We have to do like this. But
Yes.
with your help,
It's better
it
than
can be
nothing.
more interesting because like this, You're not talking. We cannot see you. I am asking something like, you know, it seems like I'm doing the lesson to myself. But, you know, I have studied them years and years ago. So it's for you, it's not for me.
Yes.
So, and time goes. You will finish also maybe first semester like this. We don't know about second semester. Then when you will come to the third grade, if you haven't listened them carefully, you will lose, you know?
Yes, teacher, because everything is connected.
Yes, yes.
No only in math, in every.
Yes, yes, every subject, everything.
Teacher, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
How different is social in the third grade, social and science?
For math lessons, if you will ask me, in social, you will have 3 lessons in a week, math. In science, you have 6 lessons. You can understand what is the difference.
Teacher, is it harder? Yes.
It's more detailed, you know, because you are in a science class. Algebra is different. Geometry is another lesson. You have 2 marks, one for geometry, one for like algebra, and it's more detailed. It's not that hard, but it's not like in social. In social, it's a bit more relaxed, but in science it's the same topics, but in one of them more questions, more properties maybe, you know.
Teacher, is it like that for all the other subjects or only for maths?
I cannot talk for the other subjects because, you know, I don't know how it is going. But I think that in science you have, for example, 3 lessons, chemistry, or in social 2. I don't know how it is going, but in math it's doubled. 3, 6. Yeah. How many minutes do we have? We have 4 more minutes. Okay. So let's see also these 2 properties. If you want to change the root, for example, this nth root here, nth root of a, I want to change it to some another root. You can multiply with a number that you want. But when you're multiplying the root, the index of the root with a number, you need to take also the power of the radicand inside with the same number. What I mean, for example, I will write here, it's better. I have, fifth question, 6th root of 4, but I want to make this one, let's say 12th root. So what am I doing? 6 times 2, then root 4 to the power of 2. At the same time, I'm taking the power of 2 in the radicand, okay? So it will become 12th root of, what is this one? 16. Why we are doing this one? For this question, you don't need only, I wanted to show the property. But in some cases, to make some operations, to continue the question, you need to change something in the question. So what it will be, you will do this one if you need to have the same root. For example, in the 6th one, you have square root of 5 times cube root of 3. If I want to make both of them cube root, what I will do, or to both of them to make the same root, what it will be, this is, let me write here, 6th one. This is square root of 5. So it means that you have a 2 here that is not written. And this one is cube root of 3. I want to make both of them same, to have us in a same radical sign. So what it will be, this one will be 2 times 3, and this one will be 5 cube times 3 times 2, and this one will be 3 squared. So what I will have? Root of 125 times 6th root of 9. Now I have both of them the same. and it will be 6th root of 125 times 9. Then you can do this multiplication.
It will be 1,125.
1,025.
125.
Okay. 6th root of 1,125. These are the two properties that you have here. If you want, you
Teacher, there is one more. The 5th root of 3.
5th root of 3. Yes, you can change also this one. We didn't solve this one. For example, if I want to make the root, what to make it?
10.
10. So what we'll do? 5 times 2.
5 times 2, root of 3
Yes. To the power of?
to the power of 2.
So it will be 10th root of 9.
Teacher, then can we take out the 9 out? Can we take 9 out?
You
Like
cannot take 9 out here because it is 10th root. You need to find a number.
Oh, okay.
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 It's okay? Are we clear?
Yes.
Yes. So see you 4th lesson or 5th lesson of this? 5th lesson, okay.
I think.
Okay.
Teacher, just
Bye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
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 Goodbye, teacher. Have a great day.
Thank you.